Hi guys, this is Shen Chen. Today we're gonna make a Greek goddess inspired dress. Let's get started. This is my design. I was thinking this one shoulder design on the top, but it's kind of difficult to come together since I don't have a mannequin, so I changed to this. I started with a ribbon that has absolutely no stretch. I cut it to fit my waist. And here's my fabric. First, I made the pleated skirt. This is how I pleated and sew it onto the ribbon. And this is what it looks like. For the top, I cut a half circle, folded into thirds, and sewed along here. Then I reached my hand between the two layers, turned it inside out, and gathered the bottom edge. Chiffon made this part pretty tricky. It's hard to make it even, you know what I mean? This is the other side that I've already finished. I bought this metal piece online to add a little detail to the shoulder. I've already trimmed the bottom and clipped it. Now I'm just folding the top corner twice and pressing it. Here's both sides finished. Next, I made some strips and braided them. These will be for the waist and the straps. Now I'm gonna attach the two top pieces to the skirt. Here I realized the skirt was way too see-through. You could see everything. So I went to the fabric market and bought some skin-colored chiffon to add another layer to the skirt. Hopefully that will solve the problem. Also it looks pretty good. Then I added the zipper on the side. The color matches perfectly. I'm planning to sew on braid right here on the waistline and the second one right here under the bust. Here's a closer look. I also added the straps from the shoulder to the back of the waist. And everything fastened with a number 9 shaped clasp like this. I also hand stitched a dart on each side of the front piece so it fits the bust better. And the last thing to do is hem the bottom. I fold the fabric to the wrong side like this. Then set my needle close to the edge about 2 millimeters. Then I sew along the edge. Using both my hands to gently pull the fabric like this so it stays nice and flat. Then I trim the excess close to the line I just sewed. I let the presser foot hold the fabric so I can use both my hands for trimming. This is what it's supposed to look like. Give it a good press. Then fold it over one more time and sew about 1 millimeter from the edge. And that's the finished hem. For the cape, I just added 2 little straps to this big triangular piece of fabric. I looped them through the metal piece on the shoulder, and this is what we got. Alright, that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!